Kamusta ka? Welcome to my channel, Charissa and Kunanan Home Cooking. Are you ready to learn new recipe? As easy as frying egg and bacon, a hearty meal and a plating to make it more special. Learn to bake cookies and yummy cakes. Let's cook and bake with a happy heart. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Smile is free! Tara, simulan na natin!
Here are the ingredients that we will be using in making a coconut salmon head dish. Ginataang ulo ng salmon. So, a kilo of salmon head, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 medium-sized ginger, a cup of coconut milk, 10 cloves of garlic, a cup of vinegar, kamote tops, 1 small cabbage, 1 cup of water, 3 pieces of sili cut into half, and 1 medium-sized onion. Tara! Luto tayo! Okay, in our casserole, we put our tuna salmon head, and we will put everything, almost every ingredients. We'll put the garlic, onion, ginger, fish sauce, peppercorn, salt, brown pepper, our small cabbage, the 1 cup water, and our vinegar, 1 cup vinegar. This process is like a paksiw. So, let's cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's take off the cover. Stir a bit. So we put the cabbage first together with this one because the texture of the cabbage is harder than the ordinary pechay baguio. But if you have pechay baguio, the pechay baguio is recommended for this one. So when it boils, you can put the pechay baguio next. But for this recipe, we make it a point na the cabbage first. Okay. Then we can then add now our 3 pieces of sile that we cut into half. Next, our kamote tops. So, I usually really add veggies in our food, especially now in the time of pandemic. The Department of Health told us to eat more veggies. So, let's put it there. We're almost done. Next, let's put our, we call this coconut milk. The smell of the coconut and the vinegar is really so good. So what we will have to do is cover this one again for 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, and then we will taste, and then I think it will be done. So after 5 minutes, let's taste. Good. Now, if you're a type of person that you need fish sauce, this is the perfect food for it. So, the taste is just plain or not too salty, because the tandem of the partner for this one is fish sauce with a sili. So, we're done. Let's go to the plating. So, here's our coconut salmon head dish. So, like what I said, it's perfect tandem or perfect partner with our ginataang ulo ng salmon, the fish sauce, and the sili. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next cooking. Goodbye.